Question number 5. Jackie is asking, what to do if you are asking a company for a discount code, but for some reason the email isn't going through. You know that this email is right because it is the one they use to mail you, and it is the one that is listed on their website. Stay till the end of this video to get a no BS answer to this question that you will not get anywhere else. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There are several reasons why emails do not go through. If email does not work, you have the following options. Number 1, find a chat on the website of the company that you want to contact and chat with them. Number 2, find a phone number of the company on their website or online and call them. And if these 2 options do not work, the third option would be to go on LinkedIn, find people working at this company, send them a connect request, and once you're connected to these people, communicate with them and ask them the questions that you would love to ask, or ask them how to contact this company. If you need help with your fashion business, if you need support by like-minded brand owners, join 14 Days Free Trial and Fashion Business Mastermind, a mentorship program that helps you quit fear, gain focus, and streamline your fashion business. Link in the description under this video.